I know there is nothing better than having a good result from your projects you have in mind, either it's a renovation or building a new house. And I know there are sometimes that doesn't happen because of misunderstanding between the designer, between the builder and the homeowner. Working in this field for 37 years and helping 1,000 clients, I learned how to present the drawing and the design the best way possible with the material that the client deserves and the client requires, and make them feel better and enjoyment. So with a good quality of presentation and good material choice and hiring the right trades, we get good results. After working 37 years, helping 1,000 clients, happy clients, I know how to deal in your project. So don't stop any longer. Call me. I can reach your happiness guaranteed. Have fun.